In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Squarespace website with ease. Whether you're setting up a new site or giving your current one a fresh look, customizing your website's appearance can make a huge difference in how your brand is perceived. So let's dive right in and transform your Squarespace space into something uniquely yours. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your Squarespace credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can see all of your projects. Here, you should find the website you want to edit. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to the specific website's management area. Next, you're going to look for the section titled Website on the navigation pane. Clicking on Website will bring up various options for editing your site's components. At this point, you want to click on the button labeled Edit. You should now see your website structure in the editor mode, which is where all the magic happens. Now let's focus on making changes to your website style, particularly the fonts. On the upper right-hand corner of your screen, you'll notice an icon that looks like a paintbrush. This is the Site Styles button. Go ahead and click on it to open up a new set of customization tools. The Site Styles menu gives you ample opportunities to adjust different design elements of your web pages, but for now, let's focus on changing the font to match your brand's identity. Once you're in the Site Styles menu, you'll be able to select the fonts you want to use throughout different sections of your website. Take some time to explore the various font options available. You can preview how each font looks on your web pages, which is a great way to get a sense of what works well with your content and overall design. If you're unsure which font to choose, consider the overall theme and tone of your website. A clean, modern font might suit a tech blog, while a more elegant serif font could work well for a creative portfolio site. Don't hesitate to try different combinations until you find the perfect fit. As you experiment, remember to take into consideration readability and whether the font aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with your font selection, simply save your changes by exiting the editing mode. All the adjustments you've made will be automatically applied to your live site. And there you have it, a customized Squarespace website that not only looks great, but also feels aligned with your unique vision. Stay creative and continue exploring other site style features to further enhance your site's appearance. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to see how these changes breathe new life into your website. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.